Araw-araw.
Araw-araw.
Buhok. Kaya man yung buhok. You touch your buhok. Buhok.
Buhok.
Buto.
Buto.
Kaya man yung buto. The bones. Buto. At saka ngipin. Sing. At saka ngipin.
Saka ngipin.
You show your ngipin. Ay lulusob.
Ay tutup.
At titibay.
At iba.
Dalanghitang makatas.
Ay tatapa.
Mahusay sa katawan.
Kautay yata.
Sa ubo.
Sa upo.
At sipon.
At sipon.
Ay
Ay
makatutulong.
katulong.
Sige daw, show me. Hain man ang ulo ni Sabi. Ulo. Ang buhok. Buhok. Ang buhok. Payagan. Yung malaba. Payagan din.
Tasap.
Hain man ang irong.
Ay.
Irong. That one is irong. An aping.
What did aping?
Aping.
What did mean?
Face. Cheeks. And simod.
What did it
Simod.
What did it mean?
Lips. Simod. What is this? Simod. Simod. Sino yan ay simod? Ikaw na. Where is your kiray?
Kira.
Where's your kiray?
Kira.
Hi, man ganyan kiray.
Kira.
You point. Hi, man.
What did it mean?
What that mean? That means your eyebrows. Eyebrows. No, it's not the eyebrows. This is the eyelashes. Adilay eyebrows. Ano itong tawag? Kiray.
Kira.
Hi, man ang imo dila.
What did dila?
Dila.
What did mean?
You use your dila when you lick the ice cream on its cone or on the popsicle sticks. What do you use to do licking on the ice cream? Diba? This is a pretend ice cream. This is the pretend ice cream. And then you're trying to lick. What is your...
Ice cream.
Sige daw.
Ice cream.
That is dila. What is dila? Show me your dila. Ano man ito ya?
Dila.
Ano man in English ang dila?
Top.
Tang. How about an agtang?
What did I get?
Ay man mo agtang. No.
Here.
Aping man aping. Hay man ang dila. Dila. An agtang. Tang man ito, tang. Agtang. You put the hand of mama in your agtang when you bless mama. Sige daw, ano pag-bless? This is your agtang. What's this?
Agtang.
How about your liog?
What did it be?
Liog.
What did it be?
Your neck.
Here.
Neck ba? Neck.
What is it?
That's neck. Good job. How about your talinga? Talinga. Where's your talinga? Good job. How about an imo pirok?
Jacket hat.
Hay na nimo pirok kan mata.
Ma. But the jacket. But you're here.
You're here. Ay, jack ko na may bunny ears here. Ano, hay man na nimo pirok kan mata.